Welcome to our motherboard showdown. Today, we will be comparing two exciting options, the GIGABYTE B650 Eagle AX and the ASUS Prime B760M-A-CSM. Both motherboards cater to different needs and preferences, making them popular choices among PC builders. We'll explore their features, performance, and value to help you determine which one is right for you. Let's get started. The GIGABYTE B650 Eagle AX is designed for AMD's AM5 platform, making it compatible with the latest Ryzen processors. In contrast, the ASUS Prime B760M-A-CSM supports Intel's LGA 1700 socket, catering to the 12th, 13th, and 14th Gen Intel CPUs. This fundamental difference in platform compatibility is crucial for users when selecting their motherboard, as it dictates the choice of processor and future upgrade paths. When it comes to pricing, the GIGABYTE B650 Eagle AX retails for $179, while the ASUS Prime B760M-A-CSM is priced at a more budget-friendly $129. This significant price difference makes the ASUS board an attractive option for those looking to build a cost-effective system without sacrificing essential features. However, the GIGABYTE board offers advanced capabilities that may justify its higher price for performance enthusiasts. Connectivity is another critical area of comparison. The GIGABYTE 650 Eagle AX comes equipped with Wi-Fi 6E and a standard 1 gigabit Ethernet port, providing flexibility for both wired and wireless networking. On the other hand, the ASUS Prime B760M-A-CSM features a faster 2.5 gigabits LAN connection but lacks integrated Wi-Fi, which may require users to invest in a separate Wi-Fi card for wireless connectivity. This difference can significantly impact users' networking experiences based on their specific needs. In conclusion, both the GIGABYTE B650 Eagle AX and the ASUS Prime B760M-A-CSM offer unique advantages tailored to different user needs. The GIGABYTE board excels in performance and future-proofing, while the ASUS board provides excellent value for budget-conscious builds. We hope this comparison has helped you in your decision-making process. If you found this video informative, please like, share, and subscribe for more content.